You want to do a trust, you're going to get a will also. Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest India estate planning and probate lawyer, and today I'd like to explain to you why. So, first, a trust is a document. It's a contract. It's a contract between the person who puts the trust together, the settlor or grantor, and the trustee, and then it sets up your game plan, your playbook, your rule book of how you want your stuff distributed, where you want your stuff to go, and things along those. So why do we always do a will with a trust? The reason why is because we want to have on our belt and our suspenders. We want to make sure that everything is potentially captured, because in a trust is only as good as stuff that is titled into the trust for stuff that is owned by the trust. So if you forget to title something into the trust, and whatever that is, it's something that you owned at your death individually, if you don't have a will telling the court to put it in the trust, then that thing, that asset, that property may have to go by intestate succession, which does not comport with what you wanted and the way you wanted your stuff to get broken up after your death. So what we do when we prepare a trust is we prepare a pour-over will. And the language of the pour-over will says if there's something that's an asset that requires probate, we want it to be titled into the trust, so then the terms of the trust and your rule book will determine how your stuff gets split up and what happens to your assets. If you have any questions about a trust, a will, probate, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.